Okay guys, we're back with part 3. So this is the Peavey Raptor International Series 1 that I brought back from the dead here. It was missing all the electronics, the pickups, it was missing tuners. It had been seriously neglected for who knows how many years. So it's still got a few little dings and flaws in it here and there, but overall it turned out very nice. So these are just ceramic pickups, small pots, nothing fancy. Everything came out of a loaded pick guard I got off Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. But, you know, it really actually sounds pretty damn nice, and it plays very, very well. Alright, that was in position 1. We'll go to position 2, get a little bit of that quack. Okay, we'll go to the forgotten selection there, the middle. Nobody ever uses this for some reason. Very nice, very, very well rounded. Go to number 4 here. And to number 5. Sounds nice. Let's hit it with just a touch overdrive. Okay. Back in the number 2 position. Oh yeah, that sounds nice. Alright, well, this will wrap up part 3. Just wanted to give you a little playthrough on it, show you how it turned out. Like, subscribe, follow me for some more stuff. I've got a few more videos coming up. I've got some pedals to review. I picked up a semi-hollow body the other day. Gonna do some work on that, review that on the channel also. So yeah, thanks for watching.